These beautiful women had something to give aside from their good looks. These brunettes have always been the women that give men pause while they are being desired, since they have sensed that there will be a dangerous shrewdness in them that will destroy men. Lot of men preferred blondes, but just for some time. It is still true that the mistresses are preferred to be blonde, but men will still marry the brunette woman. There is just that greater sense of legality for the darker haired companions. It is a bit crazy, but there is just something with regards to the brunettes that are most reassuring that your lady will go back to you when you woke up in the following morning. Today, we compile a list of our favorite top 10 most attractive brunettes from around the globe. The list of those beautiful women who had something to offer beside good looks. Okay, no more talk, let's begin this list. Let's start with number 10, Natalie Portman. Natalie Portman is an actress and dual American and Israeli citizenship. Natalie Portman was born on 9th June 1981, Jerusalem. Her upcoming movies Thor, Love and Thunder, The French Dispatch. She is one of the most beautiful brunettes as well as hottest woman alive. Number 9, Sarah Sahi. Sarah Sahi is an American television actress and former NFL cheerleader. She was born on 10th January 1980, Texas, United States. Her upcoming TV series, Sex and Life. Number 8, Lucy Pinder. Lucy Catherine Pinder is an English actress, television personality and former glamour model. She was born on 20th December 1983, Winchester, United Kingdom. Number 7, Kelly Brook. Kelly Brook is an English model, actress and media personality. She is known for her modeling work in the UK and in the US for her role on the NBC sitcom One Big Happy. She was born on 23 November 1979, Rochester, United Kingdom. Number 6, Geisa Chiminazzo. Geisa was born on April 12, 1985 in Brazil. She is an actress known for Bellissima 2005. Her upcoming movies named Fornarina SS14. Number 5, Keira Knightley. Keira Christina Knightley is an English actress. She is known for her role in Pirates of the Caribbean. She was born on 26th March 1985, United Kingdom. Number 4, Lily Aldridge. Lily Masood Aldridge is an American model, best known for being a Victoria's Secret angel from 2010 until 2018. She was born on 15 November 1985 in Santa Monica, California, United States. Number 3, Megan Fox. Megan Fox is an American actress and model. She made her acting debut in the family film Holiday in the Sun. She was followed by numerous supporting roles in films and television. She was born on 16 May 1986 in United States. Number 2. Cindy Crawford. Cindy Crawford is an American model, actress and businesswoman. During the 1980s and 1990s, Crawford was among the most popular supermodels and also presents on magazine covers, runways and fashion campaigns. She was born on 20 February 1966 in United States. And the last but not the least, number 1. Monica Bellucci. Monica Anna Maria Bellucci is an Italian actress and model. She is known for her various movies called Melina, Irreversible, Spectre, The Apartment. She began her career as a fashion model. Later, she joined American films and French films. She was born on 30 September 1964 in Italy. Well guys, that is the latest and greatest list of top 10 most beautiful brunettes in the world. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit that subscribe button and follow by the bell. Until next time, see ya.